In today's video, we're gonna be looking at these bunch of thieves. That just randomly pulled off the whole front bumper of a Golf 7 GTI. I mean, just check this out. They just literally ripped it off and stole it away. The average cost of this bumper is about 3,000 to 4,000 rands, or about $200 to $300. And these guys just stopped in a few seconds, ripped it off and went off on their way. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. I'll see you around.